Welcome back to another tutorial from Editing 24/7. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add music and sound effects onto your edits within the Instagram Edits app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Instagram Edits application on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, you can continue working on whichever project you were working on in the past or create a new one by tapping on the plus icon. Once you select your video, you will be taken into the timeline menu. Here you can find your video layer at the bottom section, and you can also mute and unmute this track by tapping on the volume icon at the left. Now, if you wish to add a music or any kind of audio, then you can tap on Add Audio directly above the video layer, or you can also find this option at the bottom panel. Tap on any one of these audio options, and now this will show you various different soundtracks and music that can be used inside of your project. You can look into the various different categories, and if you tap on the folder icon, you will also be able to choose soundtrack from your device. Once you have chosen your music, you can cut it using the cut icon to fit your desired length, or you can import it directly by tapping on the tick mark. Now, once your audio has been imported, you can check out the preview of how it will sound within your video. Just press the play button for your preview. You can adjust the duration of the audio by long pressing on the arrow at the end and then dragging it to your desired length. You can also add the audio fading options as well as volume ducking, which will turn down the music volume anytime there is a spoken dialogue. Once you are done with your edit, you can tap on the next button to proceed with your export. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add music or soundtracks onto your edits using the Instagram Edit app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.